Today on Dinner with Dad, we talk about Spicy Mion Hot Sauce. Let's go, baby! So a little history about this sauce. His name is Corrado Mion. He's a father of four. He created this sauce 20 years ago. He's perfecting recipes, he says, over since. I would go to the website because it's an amazing story of, he has his eldest son, he's autistic, and he's doing this for his family, and it's just, it's an extremely touching story. What you will like about these spices is just the multitude of flavors. So let's do a taste test on it right now. That's the stick. Come on, there we go. So you can see the peppers. What have we got here? So we got red bell peppers, olive oil, the vinegar, lime, habaneros, cilantro, scallions, tarragon, rosemary, thyme. So it's a different kind of hot sauce. All those different kind of spices. So I can see where he's saying it's Italian, Venezuelan. So let's give it a little. Maybe just a little taste test. I'm seeing this looks like something that would go great on foods. Wow. That's really good. And the reason it's really good is I've never tasted anything like that before. It's not over the top spicy. Can you see that? Look at that. I mean, it's not over the top spicy. It's got some beautiful color to it. That's really good. I can see that I just put on just about anything I want right now. So, spicyminion.com. Go there. That's the place you want to go to buy it. I'll leave a link in the description below. Check it out. This was Dinner with Dad. Come back for another product review.